Ano English?
Go na!
Wag, gwapo sa baba.
Naalala ko kami magkakapatid
Ano na?
ganyan. Wait lang. Grabe, disaster man yun. Yung dalawang team captain, dalawang kuya ko.
Madami kayo?
Keyword.
First word. First word muna ilan? Second word. Sa dinner lang.
Shit, gusto na ko lang.
First word.
First word. Love.
First letter, second word.
Second.
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
First word. Third and round.
Letter.
Keyword
English! Isa-isahin mo lang.
Love. Hug. Me. Girl.
Heart.
Third word.
Sayang.
Sige na!
Love.
Alone.
Alone.
Mercy killing what?
Suicide. Ano, alone?
Heart!
Forever love.
Mine.
My love.
Mine.
Ano?
Forever mine.
Ano siya?
On my own.
On my own.
Pretending he
Joke lang.